Hey everyone, Kyle Bascombe here. Today we're going to be replacing the wiper blades on our newly purchased 2015 C300 Mercedes. As we're doing the safety check on the vehicle, checking lights, checking fluids, etc., we noticed that the wiper blades were worn. If you're looking at your vehicle and your vehicle has genuine Mercedes wiper blades installed, there is a wear indicator on the corner. And when that indicator turns yellow, that's your indication that your wiper blade is worn and it's time for replacement. So we're going to replace it today. We're also going to show you what you should be doing to prepare your windshield for new wiper blades on a used vehicle. All right, so now that we know what we're going to be changing today, here are some of the tools that we're going to be using to prepare our windshield for our new windshield wiper blades. We've got the Sonax glass cleaner here. We're going to use it to completely clean the windshield. And we also have from Griot's the windshield clay. That's going to remove any embedded contaminants in the glass so that you get the best operation and the best life out of your wiper blades. It'll remove any contaminants, road tar, things like that are on the surface of the glass. And also this is very good if you have like chrome trim on the vehicle. This is what's going to be recommended to clean that up as well. And then lastly, we've just got some microfiber towels that we're going to use to wipe things down. Now that we know what we're going to be using to do this job, let's get started. All right, so as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we looked at the wear indicators. They're bright yellow, and just operating the wiper blades, they don't really function well anymore. In order to get things into, we'll call it a service position, you're just going to put light pressure on the blades to move them up. Then you've got two tabs over here. I'm going to press them in and slide things forward like that, and then I'm just pushing up to release it. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Lifting up, squeezing the two tabs, sliding it forward, and popping it out. All right, both blades are the same size, so you don't really need to worry about mixing things up. Just fitting that in, squeezing my tabs, sliding that in place. Same thing on the other side, sliding it in, squeezing my tabs, fitting it in place. I'm just going to put the blades down for now. Now I'm going to clean that windshield up. All right, so for the clay, I'm not using the whole thing. I've just broken off a piece, put the rest aside, cover it up so you don't get any contaminants on it. Just flattening it into like a kind of round patty. Just spraying that on the surface of the glass, just so that you have good lubricity. And I'm just wiping back and forth, that's all. While I'm wiping back and forth, I'm listening. If it sounds like sandpaper as I'm wiping over it, it's just picking up the contaminants, and eventually you're not going to hear anything at all. So you know it's doing its thing. Just wiping back and forth. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Take a look at the surface of the clay. You can see some of the contaminants embedded in the clay. That's what it's picking off from the glass. Same thing for the side in front of the driver. Just wiping back and forth. There's really no technique to this. As I move towards the middle of the windshield, I am hearing a little bit of the, like I called it, a sandpaper sound. This side, for whatever reason, is much worse than the passenger side. All right, that's about it. I'm going to do one more spray of the windshield, wipe it down, and then we're all set. Now your glass is prepared. And you shouldn't get any noise, any streaking when you're using the windshield wiper if you've prepared your surface this way. All right, now I'm just going to test the operation of the windshield wipers. Make sure things are functioning as they should. What you'll notice, wipers are operating perfectly. I've got no streaking, no noise. That's exactly what we want. All right, everyone, so as part of our safety check on this vehicle, we realized that the wiper blades needed replacing. We showed you how to replace it today. As you can see, it's very easy to check the condition of your wiper blades with that wear indicator that's on the blade, and it's also just as easy to replace it. Taking the extra few minutes and preparing the windshield the way that we did, using the cleaner and the clay, it's only going to extend the life of your wiper blades. If you have any questions at all, be sure to leave them in the comments below, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.